They actually had documented bull sharks stuck in the Great Lakes, swimming 1,000 miles, Louisiana up rivers and getting stuck in the Great Lakes.
Well, they're one of the rare sharks that can breathe fresh water, right?
In and out of fresh water. They go through osmoregulation. They can get the salt out or in, whatever they need, and go into the rivers, spend time in the rivers, go back in the ocean.
Those are
The inspiration of the movie Jaws was apparently bull sharks in New Jersey, a series of attacks in fresh water on a river system. Yeah, these people were going into the river, and these bull sharks were killing them. Really aggressive, right?
Yeah, they have the highest testosterone of any species of shark. Bullish, their shoulders are kind of arched over, their necks are locked, and they look ready at any time to just snap.
Yeah, they found them all the way up in like Illinois.
Press this elbow back into
What
me.
the fuck? How did they get into the Great Lakes?
Very
Found
nice.
in
It's nice and
Iowa,
relaxed.
Texas, Iowa.
How the fuck is a shark getting to Iowa?
Okay.
Really?
Back's already going
Ohio?
off here.
Sharks in Ohio.
How did they get in Ohio?
And all those rivers are connected.
Nice. Nice.